Hello friends, and welcome to New York City. In this video, we're exploring some of the best Indian food on the planet. With over 700,000 Indian residents, NYC is a haven for incredible Indian cuisine. From new hotspots to old classics, we're diving into delicious dishes like Blue Cheese Naan and Indian accent New York's famous Kashmiri Rogan Josh. We'll be discovering 7 must-try Indian restaurants in NYC for food lovers, and what makes Indian food in NYC so special. Everything from the flavors to the people to the culture.
This is so good. This is amazing.
Let's explore this vibrant food scene together. Starting our list is the renowned Indian Accent New York, located in Midtown Manhattan. Known for its innovative take on traditional Indian dishes, this fine dining gem offers a unique culinary experience. The menu features signature dishes like the Blue Cheese Naan and soy keema, showcasing Chef Manish Malhotra's creative flair. With its chic interiors and impeccable service, Indian Accent is a perfect choice for a special evening out or a luxurious culinary treat. Next up, we have Bungalow, a hidden gem in the heart of Brooklyn. This cozy spot combines Indian flavors with a modern twist, offering an intimate dining experience. The standout dishes include their lobster curry and smoky tandoori prawns, all served in a warm, inviting ambience. Whether you're catching up with friends or enjoying a romantic dinner, Bungalow's laid-back charm and bold flavors are sure to impress. Coming in at number 3 is Semma, located in Greenwich Village. This Michelin-starred restaurant celebrates the flavors of southern India, bringing bold and authentic dishes to NYC. Try their chettinad-style chicken curry, or the fiery gunpowder dosa for an unforgettable meal. Semma's rustic decor and passionate focus on regional cuisine make it a standout spot for both Indian food aficionados and curious newcomers alike. Number 4 on our list is Junoon, a celebrated fine dining destination in Flatiron. Known for its modern interpretations of Indian classics, Junoon offers a sophisticated dining experience. Their signature spice-rubbed lamb chops and paneer makhani are a must-try. With a Michelin star and a menu crafted by expert chefs, Junoon continues to set the standard for upscale Indian dining in NYC. At number 5 is GupShup, a vibrant restaurant in the Gramercy area. This trendy spot combines bold Indian flavors with a lively atmosphere inspired by Mumbai's eclectic culture. The menu boasts creative cocktails and dishes like lamb biryani and avocado papdi chaat. Whether it's a night out with friends or a celebratory dinner, GupShup's energetic vibe and delicious offerings make it a must-visit destination. Number 6 is Dhamaka, located in the Essex Market on the Lower East Side. Known for its unapologetically bold and authentic Indian dishes, this restaurant brings lesser-known regional cuisines to the forefront. Signature dishes include the Rajasthani khargosh and the flavorful aloo kulcha. With its vibrant decor and daring menu, Dhamaka delivers an unforgettable dining adventure. Last but certainly not least is Atta Indian Canteen, a beloved Queens-based eatery that's won the hearts of locals and visitors alike. Known for its home-style Indian cooking, Atta serves up classics like goat curry and tandoori chicken in a casual, colorful setting. Don't miss their famous biryani, cooked in a sealed pot for maximum flavor. Atta's authenticity and approachable vibe make it a true gem in NYC's Indian dining scene. And that's our list of the top 7 Indian restaurants in NYC to bookmark for your next trip. Whether you're craving innovative fine dining, regional specialties, or a vibrant atmosphere, these spots are sure to satisfy your taste buds. Which restaurant are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tripinn, and stay tuned for more travel and food inspiration. Until next time, happy exploring and bon appetit!